Hi there, beautiful BTW kiddos. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Hallelujah. You have gotten through almost your first week of school. Pat yourself on the back, raise the roof. That's so exciting, and I'm so excited for you. I'm so happy for you. Okay, let's go ahead and almost forgot. Let's not dive into the activity yet. Let's do our deep breathing. We're going to go on the roller coaster today, but we're going to do it a little different. Instead of on your hand, we're just going to use the air, okay? So when we go up, breathe in and down, breathe out. All right, here we go. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. All right. Kind of stretch your neck. Ooh, told you guys, I'm just getting older. All right. Okay, I feel good. I'm ready to go. I hope you are as well. I'm confident that you are. Let's go ahead and start with our what, how, and why. And always remember, you can do hard things. Okay, remember, you can touch the speaker, but you don't have to. If you want to read it, please read it. What? Complete your All About Me presentation and be creative. So our what has been the same every day this week because I'm getting to know you and it's very important. Our how has been very similar. How are we going to do this? Follow the directions on each slide to tell us a little about yourself. Fill in the text boxes for slides 2 through 4. Okay, just text boxes today. No pictures, no graphs. And then why, just like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it's because I want to get to know all of my scholars because you're amazing and this is the start.
Shirley Navejas, can you come to the office? Shirley Navejas.
And that is our intercom and our office staff. No worries, we'll just redo our why. Why? I love to get to know all of my scholars because you are amazing and this is the start of our second grade BTW family. Remember, love, heart, hang loose. All right, let's dive in. All right, let's go ahead and use a speaker for this slide, just so we remember where it's at. Press play. Create your own classroom rules. There are 4 light bulbs. On each light bulb, type a rule there that you think our class should follow. Okay, so just like the recording said, there's 4 light bulbs. The text boxes have already been provided. Type where the words are and the text box pops up. Backspace, all of these words. And let's see, what do we think one of our classroom rules should be? I always think, because I struggle with it, we have to walk to be safe. Miss Winston sometimes is in a rush and she runs and that's not safe, especially indoors. I could hit somebody, I could fall down, and I think that should be a classroom rule. So I'm gonna type walking feet. Just to remind myself in this classroom, we need to use walking feet. Now when we're outside at recess, that's a different story. We can run, we can laugh, we can scream, get all of our energy out. So the second rule goes to the second light bulb. What do I think the second rule should be? What is something else that's important in our classroom? Ooh, I know, the golden rule. When I grew up, my parents always taught me, treat others the way you would like to be treated. So just like in yesterday's activity, I don't want to be unkind. If I'm unkind to someone, then that means they're going to be unkind to me back, right? Because I want to treat others the way I want to be treated. So I'm going to type the golden rule. Then I'm going to even put a little colon, and I'm going to say treat others the way you would like to be treated. All right. And I think those are 2 beautiful rules for our classroom. And you know what? Those are actually physical rules if we were back in the classroom, and I know we're not yet. So if you want to make some virtual rules, that would make a whole lot of sense. And I know the golden rule applies to the virtual life. because when we were on Google Hangout, you're going to see some of your friends, and it's still very important that you treat others the way you would like to be treated. So on this slide, you are going to come up with 4 rules. 1 rule per light bulb. All right, let's move on to slide number 3. Okay, let's use the little speaker guide just so we also remember where it's at. So we're ready to go for next week's curriculum. How many words can you build? Use the letters in each word to build new words. The first word is reading. The second word is whiteboards. The third word is classrooms. And the fourth word is teachers. All right, so we are going to use the letters in each one of these words. So the first one is reading, and I'm going to click type here. So reading has the letter R-E-A-D-I-N-G. You do not have to use all of the letters. And if you can come up with only one word to recreate, that is A-okay. If you can come up with 20, give me 20. So I know in reading, I see the letters R-E-A. R-E-A. I know that creates the word R. A-R-E. Yes. So I have one word. I feel accomplished. I'm ready to move on to whiteboards. But if you're feeling good and you're creating these words, give me as many as you can. But remember, reading's tougher, Miss Swinson, so I just came up with one. All right, whiteboards. So whiteboards has the letters W-H-I-T-E-B-O-A-R-D-S. So I'm going to really visualize and analyze, what's another word I can make from the word whiteboards? Ooh, remember, I don't have to use all of the letters, and even though there's a lot of letters, I see 2 letters that create a word. I and T in white. What does that create? I-T. It. Perfect. I'm actually going to try to do another one because that was only a 2-letter word, and I want to do better, and I want to be better at my reading. So let's see what else I can create in the word whiteboards. I don't know, guys. Let's see. Ooh, I see another 3-letter word I can create. It has the letters B-E-D. What is B-E-D? Or we could even do B-E-D-S. Beds. Yes, we all sleep in a bed or beds. Okay, so you're going to do that for classrooms and teachers as well. Remember, 1 word is okay, or 20 words are okay per word. Okay, now that is slide 3. Now let's move on to slide 4. Okay, on this one, you know, it's the end of the week.
Cindy Navejas, please come to the front office. Cindy Navejas.
Again, that's our office staff, but we're not going to worry about that because when we know that happens during school and we got to keep trucking along. So I was saying it's the end of the week. I want to challenge myself on the last slide, so I'm feeling good going into the weekend. So I'm not going to use my gray speaker, but remember, you are more than welcome to use it if you need it. So it says complete the sentences. So you're going to click on the word complete the sentences that are not colorful, that are not rainbow, and you're going to backspace. And it says, I wish. These sentences can look however you want them to look as long as they are appropriate, guys. So what do I wish? I wish I had a unicorn. Yes, I love unicorns. They're magical. And then I'm going to move on to question number 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to click. And I have to backspace this first. And remember, if there is a text box that you accidentally delete, you can hover over this T and recreate it. So what is something Miss Swinson enjoys? So Miss Swinson enjoys, I enjoy an orange, the beach. Man, I really love the beach. Been talking about it all week. Okay, let's move on to number 3. backspace. I miss. What do I miss? I really do miss the beach because I didn't get to go on vacation this year. But I miss my brothers. I have 2 brothers, like I told you guys earlier in the week. They both live in Austin. One's older and one's younger. And I don't really get to see them that much anymore because they live in Austin and I live in Elgin now. And we're busy. They work. I work. So I really miss my brothers. And hopefully within the next few weeks I get to see them. Okay, guys? You are going to complete all 10. Okay? Remember, if you need help reading one, just click on the speaker. Okay? And that is it for this Friday. Make sure you are going through each slide and you're completing everything. And I hope you have an awesome weekend, guys. Get some rest, eat healthy foods. If it's not too hot, try to get outside, enjoy some sun, get some exercise. You know I love you, and I want y'all to have the best Friday and the greatest weekend. Hang loose. Lots of love, and let's breathe. Peace out, guys. Have a good one.